I built a DIY lawn striper. Let's test it out. How do you think the lawn striper did? Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to make a tutorial on how I made that striper. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.